Okay, I just wanted to show off the project that Christina and I are working on. So it's going to be kind of like the original Legend of Zelda. That's that's the inspiration I have for this. The overworld is pretty big. It's the same size as the original Legend of Zelda. So if I zoom in here, you can see I got a character set up here. So we're still kind of in the start of the project. So let me just play it here. We can move around. The camera doesn't act like the original Zelda just yet, but we have our animations and our movement already. I just made it so that the camera follows the characters so I can kind of show it off a little bit. And to make the world, we started with graph paper, and we just designed it all out on paper first before we got into actually setting everything up with all the pixel art tiles that we made. So right now it's just real simple, just walking around. We got attack animation, walking animation. We have our idle. And then we plan on having, of course, enemies in here. There will probably be some more animations and things like that. So it's a pretty big project. There's a lot more to do. But we've made a significant enough amount of progress that I wanted to show it off. Go over here to the player. We've got all our animations, animation trees. Camera that I attached to the player. There's the sprite. They got the sprite sheets. That's the tile map. That's how I created the whole world. We actually have an overworld primary, which looks like this. I don't know if I can see that. So that's kind of the base of everything before I put all the other assets on it, like the rock and the trees and all the dungeon entrances and things. But I think that's about it. Zoom into a few other places here so we can, if I cannot grab that, so we can check these out. So of course we got areas blocked off that the player can kind of unlock by unlocking new spells and stuff that they find throughout the game. Got a couple of dungeons here. These are the main dungeons, ones that look like this. And ones that look like this are kind of like merchant homes and things like that. Then you'll have springs where you can refresh your life. Other merchant homes, and there'll be a lot of hidden entrances to secret places that contain, good items, or NPCs that give good advice about what to do if you're stuck. Then we'll have rocks that can be pushed, trees that can be burned, lava, which is another obstacle, water which you'll be able to cross at some point. So yeah, that's what I'm working on.